Hello everyone, welcome to Gage Car Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Starting off of the hood, you also got this nice hood there with the Chrysler grille, with the Chrysler logo right there, and the camera up below. Nice LED headlights in the front bumper. This is the first year that Chrysler introduced the Chrysler Pacifica. Here's the side and the back. Got the Pacifica, the Chrysler Limited, and the side again. This is actually the Chrysler Pacifica that was that actually did replace the Chrysler Town and Country, so they can actually make it more luxurious. Now let's take a look inside. This vehicle is manufactured on November of 2016. Now let's take a look inside. Here we go. Here's the Chrysler steering wheel in the middle. You also got the Chrysler logo there. Let me just, there we go. Chrysler logo in the middle. You also got the navigation controls and trip computer for the screen up there. Radio controls and voice recognition, phone and voice recognition on the left. On the right, you also got the cruise controls and some 3 buttons that can actually, adaptive cruise controls. That must be it. You also got the radio and navigation system on there, the air vents, the radio controls, park assist, and all the features. Climate controls, radio controls, automatic E-shift transmission, very nice and smooth. You also got the USB and auxiliary port. You also got the Blu-ray player, DVD player for the rear, and I don't know if it's a Blu-ray, but anyways, you also got 12-volt DC power point, USB and USB port, storage up there, cup holders, and okay, how do I? There we go. Some storage up there. You also get speedometer, fuel temperature. This vehicle has 26,104 miles. The parking brake does not is not included. So anyways, here's the front seat and the back seat and the third row. You also got the 2 sunroof views. You also got the sunroof trunk and door controls, lights, sunglasses storage, all the features up there. Mirror for the surveillance, so you can actually surveillance your kids and your families. On the right, you also got the windshield wipers for the front and back. On the left is the turn signals. You also got the headlights and gauges lights, mirrors control, window locks and door locks. 1S2 controls. So now let's take a look at the back seat of the Chrysler Pacifica. I don't think it's not opening, but let's try opening it up. That does not include automatic opening system. It has the stow and go feature there. When you pull it up, it actually folds out into a seat, but I'm not going to show that. I'm not going to put it on the review, but anyways, here is the back seat of the Chrysler Pacifica, and look at this. When you pull it up, you got yourself a touchscreen. It also has like movies, pictures, videos, games, all the stuff. And not only that, you got yourself your own remote control. You also got these headphones up there, so you can actually enjoy for your kids to watch. Headphones, HDMI and USB port there. You also got this same thing too for your kids, so you can actually like enjoy and play it while parents can actually concentrate on their driving. But I really love this. This is better than the Town and Country. You also get the rear climate controls for the second row and third row. So you also got this stow and go vacuum, so you can actually clean up the mess from the kids, like some food, all the stuff. Cup holders, USB, all the features right there. Another sunroof view. You can actually see the driver and the passenger of the Chrysler Pacifica. Pretty cool. So this is actually better, and it is really, really modern. So when you fold it down, so it can actually convert it into a seat, or you can actually lift it up so you can actually have a screen to use. Like you can actually like play games like checkers, solitaire. Too bad you can't play PC games on there. Like you can't play Bejeweled Deluxe on there because it doesn't run on Microsoft Windows. Only is Uconnect, but not Microsoft Windows, Macintosh, or Linux, but just Uconnect. But sorry. But if you say like, hey, how do I play PC games? Well, I'm sorry, you can't play PC games on there. You don't have a keyboard, you don't have a mouse. All you have is this remote and some headphones. So take a look at the remote. You also got the power, mute, remote controls. Well, if you have like cable and antenna there, you can actually watch TV. So like, hey, you can actually watch SpongeBob SquarePants on there. Or you can actually watch YouTube, so you can watch Gage car reviews or Oogie and the Cockroaches. But anyway, so this is my review of this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.